Yo, what's going on, guys? Today's video is like way out of the ordinary with all the other videos. Today's video, I'm gonna be living out of my SUV for the next 2 nights here in Lake Erie. Right now I'm at East Harbor State Park. Yeah, so right now I'm about to cook some steak, grill out, the sunset behind me. But yeah, I just want to take you guys along with me and come along with me on this journey of sleeping out in my camper. This has been something I wanted to do, just renovate my SUV and just go, just live out of it. So that's what I'm doing tonight. I have no idea where I'm sleeping at tonight or anything, but I'm just going with the flow. But yeah, so I just got here right now. It's 7:50. Just went to the beach, just enjoying my time here. But yeah, right now I'm about to grill out some steak on this. Got myself a little stovetop. Just gonna cook right on that, but there's the sunset. It's a little cloudy out, but let's get going. Let's cook this. I'm starving. Alright, so now that we got our steak, I'm going to sear it in some Montreal seasoning. Dash this baby up. Alright, if I do this wrong and I blow up, subscribe right now. Yeah, let's get to cooking the steak. Hey!
Hello, where you at?
Lake Erie.
Oh.
Do what?
Are you staying all night?
Yeah. Yep.
Don't sleep in a tent?
No, I'm sleeping in my car.
Oh.
There's that end result. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it. I really should have brought chairs. Cheers, y'all. Bussin'. Sorry for the overly loud crunching and eating, but see if I got the right type of batteries for this. What the hell? Just got done cooking and eating that steak. Man, that was great, but look at this view. Look how calm that water is. Just gorgeous. Alright guys, I'm about to make my bed. I'm staying here at the park. I have no idea if you're allowed to do this. Oh well. Fuck. It's the whole thing of doing this. I'm just trying to live and learn, so. And there it is. That's what we'll be sleeping on. Just blankets and a pillow. Alright, see how it works. I'm gonna crawl in here. Alright. This is the first night of sleeping in my SUV. We're gonna get up bright and early. Hopefully get on some fish. Hopefully this rain stops. But yeah, we're gonna be getting up sunrise and do some bass fishing. And hopefully we'll get something that we can keep. And do a little, what do I want to say? Catch and cook? Yeah, catch and cook. Do a little catch and cook. See you guys in the morning. If I can find the switch. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I'm alive. It is 5:30 in the morning, and we're gonna rig up here soon and do some fishing. But last night I had no issues. No one knocked on my window. Nothing.
It all went very smooth. The only thing I gotta say is, if you guys are doing this, definitely invest or just somehow make some cushioning for, you know, your bed. Because in the middle of the night, it did get cold like out of nowhere. So I took one of my blankets, and then the other one was just not thick enough to, you know, even feel comfortable. I mean, did I sleep okay? Am I okay right now? Yeah, I mean, I don't care. So let's get up, get changed, and do some fishing. Yeah, so now we're just gonna get all rigged up. I plan on doing some topwater fishing. I brought a book bag because I had no idea I was gonna have the luxury to literally sleep here, right where I'm gonna fish. It's like literally, this is where I slept the whole night. I'm just right here. That's where I slept. Look at all those chickens. Check this out. Literally just rigging up right here. There it is. Gosh, what a morning. Just trying to figure out what exactly I want to throw right now. Can't decide if I want to go with a popper, spook. I'm low-key almost thinking a whopper plopper. But I don't know, I love a boom, boom, and I think I'm going to rock out with a popper. I don't know what it is. It has to either be like a rainbow, like a crazy looking like neon, and like just, or whatever your grandpa has in their tackle box when you were a kid. Yeah, the silver and black. But yeah, so I'm gonna try the popper first. If I ain't get no luck on it, then we're gonna rock out with the whopper plopper. Got it all rigged up, throwing it there on the loose reel. Let's get to cranking, y'all. Alright, got you hooked up on the GoPro right now. Got everything rigged up. See what we can make happen. Hey, we on. Hey, it's a decent one too. Screw it, no net. Stay pinned, stay pinned. Oh, hey, that's a decent one. Oh. Please don't. Heck yeah. That's like a 2-some pounder. Boom, blew up on that thing. Heck yeah, guys. Look at that. Blew up on that popper. There we go. Got another one. Heck yeah. Number 2. See, squeaky. See if I can get it on video. And of course, I just threw it right in the moss. Oh, how did I miss? Oh, choked it, choked it. I mean, just choked it. You wanna hear that again? He choked it. Here we go. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Stay pinned, baby. Oh, oh, that's a. Oh my God! Look at that thing. That makes some serious fillets. Look. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's another like good 2-pounder. Heck yeah. I'm gonna check and see if I can keep this fish. I don't usually eat bass, but for today's occasion, I told you guys I was gonna catch bass and eat it. And this right here will be enough just for me. Not even been out in the water for over an hour. Now the regulations here for bass
or 12 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on the ice, and later on we're gonna eat them. In the meantime, I'm just gonna have me some V8 strawberry banana. So I'm just gonna eat that real quick. Alright, so I just got done fishing. Top water bite is kind of a little off, and to be honest, I'm cool with that. I already caught what I needed and caught about 10 bass in the matter of like an hour. I'm more than happy with that. I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm gonna find a spot to cook, make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some eggs and stuff. Let's drive around, see if we can find a little spot here instead of last time, somewhere to sit. I wonder if somehow it's running the battery. That sounds like battery. Alright, I just found a spot right down the road. I'm gonna be cooking out right here. Beautiful view. And then later we're gonna find a little spot to set up the hammock somewhere in these trees. Let's make breakfast. It is currently 7:39, so we're up and at it. Probably gonna whip up like 3 or 4 eggs, something like that. Definitely need to bring more utensils next time too. Got some eggs with me. Alright y'all, there's breakfast. Get down to it and enjoy this view. Alright, so I bought a hammock here from Walmart. Now we're gonna try to set this up. See, I don't know what's too far and what's too short, so gotta figure something out. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see if it tells us how far it needs to be or something. 10 to 12 feet apart. I don't have no measuring stick on me, but let me go try something. This may look very, very goofy, but that's way too far apart. And yes, I was trying to measure it with my feet. As you can tell, I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like we should take a walk, see if we can find a better spot. Literally found the perfect spot. I'm gonna be setting up between that tree and that tree. But literally, look. Literally right there in the sun, the ocean, or keep calling it an ocean, but let's get it set up. Alright, I just got it figured out. Hell yes. Tag along with me. Watch, this is gonna be the time it breaks apart and just I eat shit. This is great. I mean, the rocks are a little bit high and I can't really see much of Lake Erie, but this is great. I'm loving this. Alright guys, it's time. I just took down the hammock, taking it back down. Did not have as much trouble just putting it up. And I'm gonna check out this other state park. It's nice there. I plan on cooking the fish over there too. It's 11:31 right now. Thought it'd be a good time to go check out this new spot. Ain't here for anything specific, just wanted to get away. All that is blurry. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go cook that bass over there at the other state park and meet y'all there. Just made it here at Walmart. Here to pick up some seasoning for the fish. Probably gonna get a lemon and probably I need my wallet. So we need butter and a lemon. Let's get these groceries. I've been having the munchies, so let's get something. Can never go wrong.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Alright, now that we got all the ingredients, I'm gonna butcher this, but Catawba Island. It's right there at Lake Erie again. See y'all at the next location. Alright y'all, we just got to the spot. I went to, instead of going to Catawba Island State Park, I went to the lighthouse, and I realized there wasn't anywhere to really cook, so I just decided to pull over here where I'm at. Plus it's actually a lot nicer. It's just a little pull off area. I'm about to fillet the fish, and then I'll get everything ready and then cook it. So there's the fillets. I'm just gonna clean up. Now I'm gonna set up the stove and clean the meat, and we'll get to cooking. Alright, so I just cleaned up the fish and cleaned up the table, as you can tell. Sitting in some butter, and I salt and peppered them, and got it on like a medium heat. Just gonna let it get in there. When it's done cooking, then I'll go ahead and put the lime on it. Bon appetit. Alright, so literally everything today is closed, besides a few restaurants, but you know, I just ate. Figured I'd just come over here to the lighthouse, go see what it's all about. Well, it's definitely not as big as I thought it was. That'll be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, this little SUV camp life, I guess, let me know. But till then, stay relentless, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Wham!